Hi, I'm Austin Ward, attorney at Ward & Barnes in Pensacola, Florida. I'm going to talk with you briefly today about the types of insurance coverage that we see in Florida as far as auto accidents. The two types of coverage that I'm going to talk about are bodily injury coverage and underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage, also known as UM. Now, if you've been injured in an accident by another driver's negligence, what you're looking for is what does that driver have in bodily injury coverage. Now, in Florida, most major insurance companies write policies for different amounts, but the main ones you see are either a $10,000 policy of bodily injury coverage, or 25 or 50. It can go up to 100, 250, 500, or a million. But the main policies that you see tend to be between 10 and 50,000. Now, Florida has some very good laws, but Florida also has some very bad laws. And one of the bad laws is it actually allows people to drive legally in the state of Florida with a valid insurance policy that carries no bodily injury coverage. And that's very important to know because you could be hit by an at-fault driver and they might not have any coverage for you to go after and make a claim against for your injuries. That brings us to the next type of coverage I'm going to talk with you about, and that's uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Now, that's something that you carry on your own policy and protects you in the event that the person who hits you doesn't have any coverage or doesn't have enough coverage to protect you or to compensate you for your injuries. Now again, most insurance companies in Florida write different policies, but the main ones you see are again 10, 25, 50, 100, all the way up to a million. And again, it's important to remember that if the person that hits you doesn't have any coverage, you're left with either your own uninsured motorist coverage or trying to make a claim against them personally, which never amounts to anything. So it's important to know that uninsured motorist coverage is out there and it's something that you can have. Now, a lot of people think, oh, well, I've got full coverage on my vehicle, so I've got it. That's not what that means. So you have to look at your policy and see if you have it. If you don't have it, I strongly encourage you to get uninsured motorist coverage because again, that's what protects you if you get in an accident. It's not your fault and the other person doesn't have enough coverage. Thank you.